Okay, well, it's February 2nd. We tried this a couple of weeks ago. It didn't really work out, but it's a lot colder and we have a lot more snow this time, so we're gonna try this water thing again. Oh. Okay. That was so cool!
Okay, like, some of it got on me, and that's, like, pretty hot.
Okay, we're gonna do it again, because that was cool. Here's Abby, here's all happy. Whew. It's a bit nippy. Okay. Yeah. Yay! Oh! Yay! Okay, it's going. I'm just having a show right now.
Okay, Stacy's turn. Now wait, I'm gonna film the thing so we can see how many degrees it is, so we'll know. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Woo! Awesome.
Okay, it's recording.
Wait, I missed it, Stace.
Mom, it's hard! I'm not doing it again! I can't get off! Help me! I can't get off! Okay, watching. Are you recording this time? Mom, are you recording?
Well, I don't know. The thing's blinking. Does that mean I'm recording?
Yeah, you're recording. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?